What's up, guys? So I'll be saying that shit every time I start the vlog. What's going on, YouTube? Change it up a little bit. So the car is definitely running. I know I didn't show you guys the car running. My exhaust is not done. I'm going back to the shop to put my traction bar on, get my wideband done, you know, finish up all of the stupid shit. But the welder broke, so I can't put my exhaust on. But when it does get fixed, I'm gonna have my exhaust get welded on. I already have a full exhaust for the car, so it shouldn't sound this fucking loud and retarded. But the car is done. It's on right now. I gotta fix a couple things, like my throttle body gets stuck and shit. So I'm gonna try a couple things. If not, I'm gonna just buy a throttle body, call it a day. But you know, overall the car is running, it's driving. The wheels are a little bit fucked up because the column on the bottom is like, I don't know, I guess the top both not going in, but I think I have it the wrong way. Like it's in, but it's supposed to be rotated a different direction. So like the splines, there's two flat pieces in the fucking two flat pieces in the steering column side, and I think I have it the opposite way, so it's touching the fucking actual spline. So what I'm gonna do is flip it and make sure it's, you know, good to go. But I'm gonna head over to the shop real quick, get all those things taken care of, say what up to Joey, chill for a little bit, just make sure the car is 100%. And if I can fix the what do you call it? Oh, if I could fix the sticky throttle body, Gucci. If not, I'm gonna see if I could buy an OEM one or something, because I'm not trying to drive around with no fucking sticky throttle body, bro. That's just annoying as fuck. But I'm gonna see y'all when I get on the road. Car's dumb loud, so you can barely fucking hear anything. But let's just hope the welder gets fixed in a timely manner, or like maybe a week or two from now. You know what I'm saying? Because I have a full exhaust and I want to hear what the fuck it sounds like, because I bought some good shit for it. But we'll see. I'm gonna see y'all on the road though. So I didn't really record at the shop. There's a lot of stuff going on, so wasn't trying to intervene with anything. But so my son Joey got my traction bar on. He got my traction bar on. I wired up my wideband. Everything seems okay. Everything's pretty much okay for now. I fixed my fucking column joint. Now I just need a fucking alignment now. Everything is good with that. So now it's just alignment, exhaust. Yeah, alignment, exhaust, and the sticky throttle body. Just little stupid shit, but car's still drivable. I mean, you gotta blip it here and there for. But yeah, so anyways, my GoPro kind of just died. Yeah, like I was saying, so I got most of everything fixed, and like, you know, got a lot of stuff, other stuff that needs to be done now. So now I'm still dealing with the sticky throttle body, like I was saying. I need suspension though. That's the biggest part. I need some fucking suspension. I'm gonna get that soon, and then I'm gonna just, you know, just figure out the car little by little. You know, it's like any other swap. I had everything for the motor and shit, but the welder's pretty much broken, like I said last time. So the welder's still broken. So once the welder is good, my exhaust should be on. The car won't be so fucking loud, but it is what it is. But overall, everything runs good, everything drives. I'm gonna just, you know, figure it out, like I said, as I go along here. Get everything good to go. Overall though, I ain't gonna lie, man. I was like I said, I be talking to Junior, you feel me? Talking to Junior for a minute, and we finally accomplished Junior's swap. So month or so, I should have suspension, you know, my exhaust on. I'll keep you guys updated with it and whatnot. But this car is gonna be my daily. Nothing done to it. Just, well, I lied. Maybe I did lie, but the only thing that I'm doing to this car, power-wise, is a 24 bottom end.